Introducing the new IQJET printer by Leibinger, now available from...
Wait. That's a continuous inkjet. We don't even sell those.
Well, you're not wrong. But this is no ordinary inkjet printer. Leibinger have cracked it. The IQJET is CIJ reimagined.
Aren't CIJs unreliable?
Yeah, not to mention they need constant cleaning and maintenance.
And they take ages to get going.
If you let me finish, I can actually explain everything. So before I start, does anyone else have anything to say? No? Okay then. As I was saying, the IQJET by Leibinger is a game changer. With its fully automatic nozzle seal, there's no need for frequent cleaning. It's ready to print when you are. The award-winning design is so innovative, you only service it every 5 years. With over 85% vertical integration, Leibinger controls nearly every step of manufacturing, resulting in next-level quality control. Eco mode condensates evaporated solvent, resulting in up to 50% less solvent consumption than conventional CIJ. Its intuitive design, with touchscreen and smart OS operating system, makes it incredibly easy to operate.
Hang on, CIJ printers are always complex.
And they need regular servicing.
How many times do I have to say it? Its award-winning design means that there is no servicing required for 5 years. 5 years. Wait, where did the printer go?
I think we just sold that one.
Right, that's it, I'm done.
Seriously, I'm gonna have to speak to my agent.
Bunch of amateurs.
The IQJET from our newest partner Leibinger. Get ready to challenge what you know about CIJ.